In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos and tapping on Photos or Library at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your pictures that you wish to get rid of, hold one of them and use those icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on them, and to delete the rest, use bin icon at the top of library section or at the bottom of photos one. Either way, after tapping on it, select move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!